everybody! So today we're going to talk about Animaker. So we're just going to open up a search browser. We're going to type in Animaker and it brings you to this page. This is just sort of the general page that'll pop up. It tells you about what Animaker is, even if you're signed in. There's different options up here on the toolbar of things you can look at. It gives you it shows video types and the different products and videos and articles you can watch, and so there's the different features that displays of the tool, the world's largest animated library. It's super cool. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna focus on the dashboard. The dashboard is sort of like the home of this website. It's where you can create new videos, or you can look back at your old videos. You can watch them or edit them some more. Just to give you an idea of how to create a video, how that would go, you can either click Get Started or you can click Create a Video. We're just going to create a video really quick. As you can see, there's a bunch of different templates that you can use that are pre-made. But what we're going to do, we're just going to use a blank one really quick. And what's going to happen is this tutorial video is going to come up, and it's going to show you exactly how to use the tool. So I think that she is super helpful. I'm definitely not going to do as good a job as explaining how every single part of this works, but you can click play and you can watch how to create this 2D video or an infographic video or a whiteboard video. These videos are up to 20 minutes, and so they go into really detailed descriptions on how to use this. I've already watched this video, and so I'm just going to exit and I'm just going to show you all what happens. We're going to get this out of the way. So the basics of this is there's the scenes over here. This is where your scenes are going to be displayed. This is your workspace right here. And over here are things that you can add to your video. Something that's really helpful is right here. This little thing can adjust how big what you're looking at looks like. Anyways, so what we're going to do, we're going to just quickly add and make a scene really quickly. So you just choose one of these scenes right here, and then it'll pop up and you can see it adjusted over here, and now we have our first scene in the left hand area. You can add another scene if you want to make something after that, or even you can select this one and duplicate the scene so it'll look the exact same. And then this down here is your workspace. You can adjust how long you want the scene to be and things like that down here. There's also a way to add characters. These top ones are the free ones that come with it, and so you can add them in here, and it's super cool. It pops up with different things that you can make them do. So we'll make her be yelling, right? We'll get this out of the way and kind of see how it looks. We can resize her. We can turn her upside down. Really anything is you can do with this. And you can also have multiple people in the scene at once if you want. You can also add objects in the scene. You can, once you deselect her, that will go away as well. And let's see, we can add a computer right here, just in case we needed a computer. It also will show different, you can change which way the computer is facing, so we'll just have it facing us. And then click off of that and get out of there. Now right now our scene is 8 seconds, so if we wanted to play from the very first scene, we were working on our second scene, so that first scene is going to be blank, and then it'll go into the second scene. and this is where there's movement happening. Yeah, so just so you, that's just a little general idea. We are gonna go and we're gonna just look at mine really quick so you can kind of get an idea on how I created my project. My project was super cool because I was able to talk about, things that I learned and express them in a different way. So we're going to click the edit option and we'll kind of take apart a few things that I did in mine. It did take a while to actually create this. There's different parts that go into it. You can create transition effects and you can really make it really detailed. There's also like options. As you can see, I made this chair move, and so that's why it moves in the video. Yeah. See, it moves. Anyways, and so I think this is a really great way to just kind of add different elements to, a video that, or information, it puts it in a different perspective. I just like how diverse everything is about this tool, and I think it could be used in a variety of different ways. So that is just a little brief introduction to Animaker. So yeah, there you go, guys.